Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily change the date and time on your Sharp QLED TV. So first let's start off by going to all settings and scroll a bit down until you guys see system. Now click date and time, and here if you want to change it, simply you need to disable the use automatic date and time. Now here you can guys set the date, so I'll set it to 31st of January and let it be 2015 again. So now the date is set, and if we want to change the time, it works the same. So here you guys can change it. Now change the hour, like it might be 8 p.m. So let's make it 8 p.m. Now click OK and it should be saved. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe and leave a comment under this video. Bye.